How to use motion blur in CapCut. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your CapCut application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now click New Project and then go to Stock Videos. And then here you have to click Scenery. You can choose from any of these videos here. For example, let me pick this one. Okay, you just have to tap this circle here and then click create a video. So I'm going to choose two videos. So this one and this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you can add video if you want. You just have to tap this plus icon here and add another video. And you just have to tap this circle here to add video. Tap and then click add. So the next thing to do here is to start our tutorial about how to use motion blur. To do that, you just have to go to this part, tap the video first. Okay, let me tap the video. And then after that, go to this part right here and then look for motion blur. Okay, so let me tap this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, in order for you to adjust, you just have to click this circle here and then move it up or down. Everything is up to you. To give you more idea about motion blur, you just have to tap that question mark icon there, and then here you can read the information, instruction, and anything that you want to learn about motion blur. So how can I add motion blur, the meaning of motion blur, and so on. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can simply go back. And then this time, I will just drag it to up to 100%. Let's just say 100%. Okay, for direction, you just have to click both and also for times, tap once. Okay, so as you can see, I'm applying it now. And then so you just have to wait. Now you have to do the same with this next video. You just have to tap the video, go to motion blur, and you just have to drag it to 1%. Click both and then click once. And I'm going to show you what it looks like or the result. So this is what it looks like. And this is how you use motion blur in CapCut. So that's it. And I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.